Hello YouTube, Mountainous here. Here I am at Fugate Woods Nature Preserve outside of Fairbury, Illinois, and I wanted to show you the wildflowers. These are bluebell wildflowers, and they come up in the spring. Look at this. Look how many there are. This whole forest is blanketed with these wildflowers. Check it out. I'll put some cool photos at the end of this video. This is a short video just showing these wildflowers. I'm hiking today, but I'm doing it just for fun. I wasn't in the mood to film, so I'm doing a little photography, but I just wanted to show you these wildflowers here and how many there are. Look at this. This is insane. The bluebell wildflower. I know there's different kinds of bluebell, and they grow in different areas of the United States, but if anyone knows anything more about these flowers, let me know in the comments. This place is crazy. I mean, it's just solid. All right, I'm gonna get back on the trail, guys. Anyway, that was just a short video. Comment, like, and subscribe if you enjoy the content. A lot of fun stuff coming on the way. Enjoy the photos with some WUSHURICHARD music, and you'll see a bunch of photos of these bluebell wildflowers. Till the next adventure, Mountainous out.